Jim isn't here. He apologises profusely. He's actually in Toronto filming. He would love to be here. I think I might actually forget to give this to him altogether. It looks pretty good. This is probably, in a way, one of the only industry events in the world, when you look at it, where you can say that the people who are nominated in your category are some of your best mates. John and Connor and Neil. I mean, it's insane that all of these amazing people are in this category. So I'd say Jim would like to say that. He'd also like to say he's freezing in Toronto. And also, you know, he'd probably say something slightly witty and maybe warm or probably controversial, actually, knowing him. But I'm going to opt for something a little bit more simple and just say to everyone watching, go and see these films. They are all coming to a cinema near you. Go and see them on the big screen. Thank you. He's in great form. You know, I was trying to talk to him earlier and he was, I said, do you have anything to say? It's the IFTAs and everyone's here. And it's kind of mad because it's your own hometown, you kind of, you get more nervous, you know, and he was going, who's there? And I said, well, Neil is here and Connor's here and John is here, everyone's here. Where are you? You know? And he's like, well, I'm in Toronto. And I was like, yeah, I know that, but that's no good, you got to be here. But, you know, I suppose it's just mad because it is your own hometown and you're a little bit more nervous. So I think it means actually a little bit more than it would